In this lesson, we'll be introducing zero error of vernier calipers and micrometer screw gauge. Due to the manufacturing defaults or long usage, so wear and tear, vernier calipers and micrometer screw gauge can have what we call zero errors. These zero errors can be detected by closing the vernier calipers and micrometer screw gauge fully. And normally the readings of this device should be zero, but if they actually have zero errors, they will not be aligned at zero. So that means that it already has some form of errors when it's supposed to be at zero. So some examples would be this is for vernier calipers. So you find that if it closes zero, this zero and this zero doesn't align. They're supposed to form a line. Or for micrometer screw gauge, if you close it fully and is measuring nothing, this zero should be over at this position. Okay, but instead it is showing some value. So if there's zero error, obviously whatever that you obtain, the reading that you obtain from the device would not be correct. So in order to obtain the correct reading, you need to take away the error. So the correct reading is that always the observed reading and subtract away the zero error. There are actually two types of zero error, positive and negative. Positive zero error means that the device or the measurement device actually overestimates the actual length. So this is relatively simple. If it's overestimate, you just subtract away that error and you get that correct reading. So the correct reading will always be smaller than the observed reading that you get initially. Negative zero is the opposite. It actually underestimates the actual length. So you just still apply, you subtract away the negative zero error. Since negative and negative means that it is positive, so observed reading, in this case you need to add, and it makes sense because since the device always constantly underestimates the actual length, you should add so that it is correct. So the correct reading will always be larger than the observed reading.